Let's solve this problem. Evaluate quantity 17 plus 27 divided by quantity 4 fifths times 3 sevenths minus quantity 2 fifths square. So we have series of operations for fractions. So to evaluate or simplify this expression, we need to use PEMDAS for the order of operations. So using PEMDAS, we need to perform all the operations that are inside the parentheses. So we have 1/7 plus 2/7 and then 4/5 times 3/7. So let's perform first the addition 1/7 plus 2/7. So since we are adding similar fractions having the same denominator of 7, we just need to copy the same denominator 7 and then add their numerators 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is just equal to 3. So we have 3/7 for the first grouping symbol. And then we need to divide by the product of 4/5 times 3/7. So when we are multiplying fractions, we just need to multiply the numerator over the product of the denominators. So 4 times 3, that will be 12. And then 5 times 7, that will be 35. Then copy this minus 2 fifths squared. So we're done with the parentheses. The next that we can perform is the exponent. So obviously we have 2 fifths square. So it means we can multiply 2 fifths times 2 fifths. 2 factors of the base 2 fifths. So it's equivalent to 2 fifths times 2 fifths. Or 2 times 2, that will be 4, over 5 times 5, that will be 25. And then copy these first two terms, 3/7 divided by 12 over 35 minus 4 over 25. So the remaining operations that we have are division and subtraction. So from PEMDAS, we need to perform first division before the subtraction. So let's divide first 3/7 divided by 12 over 35. So how to divide fractions? So just copy the first fractions, 3/7, then change the operation to multiplication, then get the reciprocal of the second fraction, 12 over 35, meaning let's interchange the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 12 over 35 is 35 over 12. So we can factor out this 35 as 7 times 5, as well as this 12, we can factor this out as 3 times 4. So we can apply cancellation. We can cancel out this 7. We can cancel out this 3. So we basically have just 1 over 1 here, or simply 1. So therefore, the remaining fraction will be 1 times 5 is 5 over 1 times 4, 4. Then finally, we need to subtract 4 over 25. So since we have two dissimilar fractions, we can apply the butterfly method. So let's multiply this 5 times 25, that will be 125, minus the product of 4 times 4, 16, over the product of the denominators, 4 times 25, 100. So 125 minus 16, that will be 109 over 100. So we can convert this into mixed numbers. Since this is an improper fraction, we just divide the numerator 109 by the denominator 100. So 109 divided by 100, that's 1. Then 1 times 100, 100. Subtract 109 minus 100, that will be 9. So it is equivalent to 1 and 9 over 100. So the final answer is 1 and 9 over 100. Now it's your turn. So try to evaluate this expression and just comment your answers.